welcome back to my channel. I am Kim and I am here today with another grocery haul. So today's haul is from Coles and it is a little bit larger than usual because I had to grab a few extra bits and pieces for a friend's baby shower for the gift that I'm putting together. But this lot came to $239. So as per usual, I'm just going to unpack and go through everything, and then at the end I will let you know what our plan is for meals for the week. So I have some butter, some beef mince, chicken breasts, some vanilla yogurt, some unsweetened almond milk, a fragrance-free on-the-go Huggies wipe pack. I have 3 packs of the Cure Rash fragrance-free baby wipes. I ordered one of the jumbo pack, but they substituted for 3 of the smaller ones. Some capsicums. I got some of the large field mushrooms. A lettuce. Some tomatoes, some cordial, a packet of Fibre One bars in the birthday cake flavour, some Monster energy drink, another Monster energy drink, 3 chicken stocks, some rice wine vinegar, hard and soft taco kit, a Heinz Big and Chunky Beef Stock Pot, 2 serves of the Basmati Instant Microwave Rice, 2 loaves of wholemeal bread, some newborn nappies for the baby shower gift, I got some Danish feta and some shortcut bacon from the deli section, a butternut pumpkin, some free range eggs, bananas, big and chunky peppered steak, big and chunky beef and vegetables, some pineapple pieces, some corn flour, some ketchup manis, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I'm going to go with ketchup manis, so it's a sweet soy sauce, a Heinz Big and Chunky ravioli, and some deodorant, as well as a 30 pack of Pepsi Max and a Mount Lofty 10 litre water. So the plan for this week's meals, a little bit different. So my husband is on afternoon shift and I am trialling some different recipes that he probably won't want to eat. So because he gets home quite late, he actually quite enjoys these stock, like stock pot, one pot kind of meals that he can just heat up when he gets home. So he'll be having those this week mostly. But with the mince, I plan on doing tacos one night. With the chicken, I am going to do a couple of things. I'm going to do a chicken vegetable soup, as well as I'm going to try this recipe I found for a sweet and sour chicken that looks really yummy. So that's what I'm going to be using that ketchup mayonnaise for, and the rice wine vinegar. I'm also going to do a pumpkin soup and some stuffed mushrooms. Yeah, like I mentioned, this haul was $239, which was definitely a bit more than usual, but that's because I had to get some extra bits and pieces, like I mentioned, for the baby shower gift that I'm putting together. So yeah, the nappies and the wipes definitely bumped the price up a little bit. But yeah, I did also get the bacon and the eggs and stuff as well to do just some like quick and easy on the go meals as well. So yeah, trialing something a little bit different this week to see whether it works for us and our lifestyle. Let me know below whether you meal plan for the week, and do you shop for a week, for a month, every day, every other day? How do you like to do your food shopping? Anyway, that's it from me today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you get notified of my videos in the future. Until next time, bye guys.